My friends and I were traveling in a motorhome around Iceland. At one time, we came across a canyon with a basalt pillar, and I couldn't resist filming all the beauty from above. At some point, I noticed a white spot on the side of the canyon. As I approached it, I could see that it was a drone. This was the DJI Air 2S. It cost $1,000. I decided to save this drone. It's very dangerous to approach the edge of the canyon. You could fall. I figured the best course of action was to save this drone using another drone. I also have an Air 2S. We made a rope from shoelaces and a hook from a cloth hanger. We took some time to think about how to build the most suitable hook so it can rescue the drone from the cliff. We made it so it could hook under two propellers and tested it on my drone. I hope my Air 2S can help its twin brother. The thought crossed my mind that sometime in the future, someone would see two drones stuck on the cliff, one of them being mine. That was not an easy task. The rope was shaking a lot because of the wind, and I kept losing the signal behind the cliff. Somehow I hooked it and tried to pull up. At this moment, I thought I'm about to lose my drone, because even at full speed, nothing was happening. After some time, it unhooked. And it became even harder, but I tried again. Finally caught it again, but no matter what I did, it just wouldn't go up. I tried to go sideways, and this happened. What a shame. When I zoomed in, I could see a sticker with Ralph written on it. Ralph, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. I tried to help. But we live to learn. Next time, I'll make a better hook and use a bigger drone. So if your drone, or maybe a cat is stuck somewhere, just call me. Thank you friends for watching. Write in the comments how would you rescue the drone. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Soon you'll see more footage from Iceland. See you in the next video.